Alright guys, well, it's another day, and today we're going to be taking down and stripping this thing down. As you all recall, this is my 2000 D16Y8 long block that I got from the Junkyard. This is going to be for the turbo build. It's going to get a complete teardown. Block is going to CSS. And then we got to get the rest of this stuff off of here, like rest of these harnesses and hoses and that sort of thing, so we can start power washing this thing. I got some engine bright, we're gonna power wash it, and then yeah, like I said, block's going off to CSS. Gonna get measurements on the crank and cylinders so I can start ordering some main and connecting rod bearings and piston rings and pistons, forged pistons, so we can make big boost. And then yeah, probably just do something simple. It's gonna be simple, probably skunk to you know, springs and retainers. I haven't decided on if I'm going with the valves yet. I really don't think there's a necessity for it unless I was getting head work done, but yeah, let's get things set up and start taking stuff apart. Alright, so this is where, this is probably where I'll start a time lapse, and hopefully I'll get the music to correspond with it this time. Alright, so I guess I'd consider that the harness. I'm not worried about this. I'm going to leave the intake manifold on while I clean. That way I don't have to worry about getting water and stuff down inside the cylinder. Even though I am boring and honing, I don't want to have to worry about rust while I'm waiting or any of that. Ugh. I need to get a real plug for this engine stand. Yeah, I guess we can I've got, of course, the harness that came out of the Junkyard is completely worthless, except got a few extra pigtails here. Yeah, that's fun. So got a few extra relays, a few extra grounds, clips, stuff like that, just in case. But yeah, I'm gonna put some gas in the power washer, get it started, and then we'll get started cleaning. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I've already started. I'm gonna hit it with another coat. I'm going to hit this engine bright on there, well, gunk or whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna let it sit 10 minutes, and then we're gonna hit it with the power washer, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright, that's that. I'll see you in 10. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, going on 11. Let's fire this pressure washer up and yeah, let's see if we can't make a damn difference here. Once more. All the heavy spots. Yeah. So hopefully I'll be able to throw some music on over this. Alright, so she is she's still a little caked up in some certain spots, but I do plan on taking this engine and having it hot tank somewhere. So the more I get off here, the easier it's going to be to work with, just out of not being all disgusting when I'm trying to mess with certain stuff. And then of course, you know, stuff like this, when it runs through the hot tank, then it'll turn out much better. But for the most part, figures the one thing I don't need is this intake manifold, and it turned out really nice. Got behind the flex plate, so yeah, I just want to throw a quick one together for you today, guys, so you could actually see what was going on with this, and wanted to get it cleaned up. And next time you see it, we'll be taking it apart so we can get some measurements, and that should be next weekend. Alright, see you. Oh, and like always, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell if you want to see videos when they come out. So, later.